Most people use AI like a normal Google search and never get the real benefits of AI. The most successful people actually use AI in 4 different ways, and they don't stop at number 1. I think most people actually stop at number 1. Using AI as a microtasker, using AI as a teammate, using AI as a companion, and using AI as a delegate. So which one are you? The way you use AI actually determines how much time, money, and opportunities that you actually gain from it. So if they are still at the stage of asking ChatGPT just to write an email for you, or ChatGPT, what can I reply this email with, you are leaving 90% of the value of AI on the table. So how can you use AI up to 100% and be able to gain the value of AI in your personal life and in your business? So the number 1 and the most popular way people use AI is using AI as a microtasker. Write me a Gmail to respond to this person, what is today's weather, summarize this PDF, generating some captions, social media captions, or helping you fix a bug. If you stop at using AI as a microtasker, you actually have low impact in your life. Even though I know that some people see it as exciting, you are actually leaving 90% of the value of AI on the table if you stop here. So the next way you can use AI, which actually increases the value that you are using AI for, is using AI as a teammate. A lot of people don't know this, that you can actually work with AI as your teammate, not just a microtasker, not just something that can help you write an email or tell you the weather of the day. So what does using AI as a teammate means, and how does it work? So using AI as a teammate is more like using AI to generate ideas, to work with it for research, strategizing with AI. If you actually watch my previous videos on AI, I mentioned at a point where you can actually learn how to use ChatGPT for strategy. So that's using AI as your teammate. So it feels like you are brainstorming with a junior colleague. Instead of just using it to do some mini tasks, you can use AI as a colleague, as a teammate that you can brainstorm together, you can generate ideas together, you can make strategies together, you can make research together, and a lot more. Using AI on this level actually gives you a better hedge, especially for your business. Let's say you want to create strategy for your business, you could do that with AI because there are data available for you, and based on the way you prompt your AI, you'll be able to get very good results that will be beneficial to yourself and to your business. Now the next phase of using AI, or the next way you can use AI for your profitability, is using AI as a companion. So what does this mean? AI as a companion. How can I use AI as a companion? I mean, this is not using AI as your lover or as your partner in relationship or something like that. No, it is far from it. So AI as a companion is more like using AI to learn, as an example. So see a companion as like a teacher that can teach you and hold your hand as you go in your learning process, right? So that is also the same way AI as a companion works. So AI can help you learn, track progress, and help you solve some problems. Now this is beyond just chatting with ChatGPT or stuff like that. This is now moving into building some automations using AI agents and many more like that. So it's more like seeing AI as a personal assistant for creative thinking. An example is using AI to practice some questions that you will ask a client when you jump on calls, or using AI to negotiate price or money with your potential client or advisor or investor, and many more like that. So using AI as a companion is one of the ways you can make maximum use of AI and not leave the remaining percentage of AI value on the table. And the last way to use AI, which is the most important, because if you don't use AI on this level, you're leaving most of your money on the table. Using AI as a delegate, which is quite similar as using AI as a teammate. But as a delegate, you can send it on an errand. You can tell it to do something without even you being in the room. You can tell it to do something while you sleep. So using AI as a delegate, how does this work? This is mostly used by business owners, companies, investors, professionals, solopreneurs, and a lot more. So this is more like a full workflow automation. AI perform tasks with minimal human input, with minimal or no human input, like working with AI agents, right? Working with AI agents where they can perform tasks without you touching it or, telling you what to do. So full-blown automation. So this is where real scale and business leverage comes in. This is where you actually use AI for business, not just for your personal use. You can build these automations to scale your business, to scale whatever you are doing, and to make your work faster. You can use AI to scale your business, to save your time, to save money. You don't need to pay some certain people just to be able to do some tasks. AI can actually do that for you. That is using AI as a delegate. At Automatica, this is exactly what we help people do. Teaching them and letting them use AI as a delegate, not just as a microtasker. So we help you build systems that allows your business to make more money and save more time with the help of AI. These systems, these solutions can definitely be tailored to your business. It doesn't have to be an automation that was built for a previous business. It can be tailored to your business as we understand what your business needs. So why are people stuck at microtasker? Why are people stuck at using AI as a microtasker? The number one reason is because they lack AI literacy. People don't know that AI can do more than that. I was speaking to someone at Automatica. We did an AI audit for an organization, and I spoke to one of the employees in the organization. And then she was saying, okay, so what difference would you bring, or what are you trying to do that we have not been doing, like chatting with GPT? I laughed. And I'm like, what you just currently do is just using AI as a macrotasker. What I'll be bringing is using AI as a delegate, because that is where your business needs AI, not just as a microtasker. So people are not very well liberated on what AI can do. And that's why my channel exists, to teach you how you can use AI for your business growth and for your professional growth. So if you've not subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and also share so that everybody around you can learn about AI and know how they can use AI for their growth. And the second reason why people are stuck at using AI as a microtasker is fear of automations and lack of trust in AI, which is very understandable, very, very understandable. But it is important to note that as technology grows, the need for that technology also grows, right? So even if you don't trust AI, you can definitely try it out first. See what it does, see how it can help you, and see how you can use it for your business or for your growth. The reason most people don't trust AI is because of data. And I believe at Automatica now, we actually take data security seriously, especially when we build automations for businesses, which is what most organizations are also doing, and even people building AI solutions. So I'm not here to convince you to use AI, but it is very important to learn how to use it, because that is what in the nearest future most businesses and most people will be using. Also, the last reason why people are stuck at microtasker is because they don't know the right tools to use. There are millions of tools. In fact, millions of tools. You are stuck. You don't know the right tools to use. Which one should I use? Which one can I use for my business? There are a lot of it. Some people have actually even paid a lot of pounds on different platforms, but it is not generating the result that they want because they are paying for the wrong tools. So if you are stuck and because you don't know which one to go, which way to go, and how to actually use AI in your business, you can book a consultation call with me. I can help you break down what your business needs or what you need for your professional growth and the right tools that you need to use so that you are not confused and you know the right way to go. So if you want to move from using AI as a macrotasker to using AI as a delegate, which I've explained in this video, grab my free 30 days guide on mastering AI, and from that 30 days, I walk you through 30 days of learning how to use AI up to the point where you can build yourself an AI personal assistant. Use the link in the description to get the 30 days plan. And if you own a business and you want to use AI as a delegate, running full AI delegation, you can reach out to us at Automatica. That's what we help you do, and it will be tailored to your business. No general solution. It is tailored to you. So use the link in the description to book a free call and we'll take it from there. I hope this video has been able to educate you on how you can use AI for your profitability and for your growth. And if it has, please like, share, comment, subscribe. It is very important. Let this video reach more people so that they can be AI literate and learn how to use AI for their growth. See you in my next video.